So guys, today we are discussing about the classification of bone. So the bone is the substance that forms the skeleton of the body. It is composed of chiefly calcium phosphate and calcium carbonate and other salts. So the bone is highly vascular, means it is supplied by many blood vessels, and it is a living, changing, mineralized and having low metabolic rate. Although hard, it is elastic and has characteristic growth mechanism and regenerative capacity. So let's see the classification of bone. It is an important one. So you have to write first in the question. You have to write first the classification of bone, and it takes a vital role. You have to know the classification of bone well. So first of all, classification of bone. Bone is divided into 4 categories. Broadly divided into 4. So first is developmental. Second is regional. Third is structural. Okay. Then last is shape. So the developmental bone is further divided into 3 types. What are that? One is membranous bone, another is cartilaginous bone, and the third one is membrane cartilaginous bone. Okay. Then regional bone. Regional bone is axial bone divided into 2 types. One is axial bones, another is appendicular bones. Okay, then in case of structure, the bone is divided into 2 types. One is macroscopic, another is microscopic. So the macroscopic bone is of 2 types. Macroscopic bone is of 2 types. One is compact bone, another is cancellous, spongy or trabecular bone. Cancellous, spongy, or we can call as trabecular bone. Okay. Then microscopic division. Then microscopic division is of 4 types. One is lamellar, fibrous, denture and cement. Four types. Lamellar, fibrous, denser, cement. Okay, then the last one is, in case of shape, we divided into 5 types. So there is no space to divide shape. Okay, we grab it. Okay, 5 types, 1 2 3 4 5. So in case of shape, the bone is divided into 5 types. One is long bones, then short bones, then flat bones, then irregular bones, then last is sesamoid bone. So the long bones is further divided into 3 types. One is typical, miniature, and modified long bones. Here no space, so गई बिजली चली गई. So the long bones are of 3 types. Long bones are of 3 types. One is typical, another in miniature, another is modified. Okay, so the example of short bones are known as tarsal bones. What is tarsals? In case of flat bone, we can take example of scapula. In case of irregular bone, so in case of irregular bone, we take the example of vertebral bones. Okay, in case of sesamoid bone, there is one bone, that is patella, which is present in knee. Okay, so let's look from the first. The classification of bone is divided into 4 different types. One is development, then regional, then structural, and in case of shape. So the developmental criteria divides bone into 3 types. One is membranous bone, then cartilaginous bone, then membrane cartilaginous bone. Then in case of regional, the bone is divided into axial bone and appendicular bone. Then in case of structural bone, bone is divided into microscopic and macroscopic. Macroscopic bone is 2 types, that is compact bone and cancellous. We can say cancellous bone as a spongy bone or trabecular bone. Then in case of microscopic division, we divided bone into 4 types, that is lamellar, fibrous, denser, cement. Then in case of last one is in case of shape, we can divide bone as 5 different types. One is long bone, short bone, flat bone, irregular bone, and sesamoid bone. Long bones are of 3 types. One is typical, then miniature, and modified. So that the example of short bone include tarsals. Then flat bone example is scapula. Irregular bone example is vertebral column. Then sesamoid bone, one and only the patella. Okay, So guys, thank you for watching till end. Thank you.